In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Smartsheet effectively. Whether you're managing a large project or organizing a simple task list, keeping your information clear and accessible is key, and filters are here to help with that. Let's start by navigating to your Smartsheet interface. Direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll find a small button labeled Filter. It's typically located next to other familiar tools and marked by a funnel icon. Clicking on this button is your first step towards clearing up your workspace and honing in on what truly matters. Once you've clicked the Filter button, you'll see several options. What you're going to want to do next is select plus Add a Filter. This action opens up a range of possibilities for you to customize your sheet view like never before. Now here's where it gets interesting. You'll need to choose the right column and condition for your needs. Think of this step as choosing the criteria that best serve the task at hand. Whether it's filtering out completed tasks, spotlighting urgent items, or hiding anything irrelevant, this is your time to define what's most important for you to see. The conditions offer a variety of flexible options, such as is one of, contains, is blank, or is between. Each option serves a distinct purpose to help refine your data view. If, for instance, you are managing a team project and need to view tasks assigned to you, you might choose the is one of condition to isolate particular responsibilities. On the other hand, if you're attempting to eliminate clutter, opting for is blank will simply hide any empty rows that add no value to your current review process. After you've made your selection, it's time to seal the deal by clicking Save. This step locks in your filter choices and immediately applies them to the sheet, streamlining your view towards your tailored preferences. One of the clever aspects of Smartsheet is how these filters are quite versatile across all views. So, whether you're flipping through a card view, Gantt chart, or any other display format within Smartsheet, the filters you've applied will remain intact. Hidden rows will stay out of sight, providing a consistent and streamlined perspective regardless of how your data is laid out. And there you have it, a neatly refined sheet that brings clarity and focus, allowing you to tackle your tasks efficiently. Remember, using filters is not just about hiding data, but making your life easier by offering a more meaningful view. Hopefully, this guide has illuminated how simple and powerful filtering your Smartsheet can be. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we continue unraveling the tools to bolster your productivity.